In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date fields to a document in Docusign in the easiest way possible. This process is pretty straightforward, but to make sure everything is crystal clear, let's walk through each step together. First things first, we need to go to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, which is precisely what makes it so popular for handling documents securely online. Once you're on the site, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that button and enter your login credentials. If you're new to Docusign, you'll need to create an account first. However, for today's process, I'll assume you already have an account set up. Once you're logged into your Docusign account, navigate to the Docusign homepage. This will be the central hub where you can manage your documents, templates, and other features available to you. From here, what you want to do next is select a template. Templates are particularly useful as they save you a lot of time by standardizing frequently used documents. If you don't have one already, you can create a template from a document you frequently use. But for our example today, go ahead and select a pre-existing template from the options available. Next, after you've selected the template that suits your needs, it's time to add the necessary details. This is where you specify the recipients and any additional information required for your document to be complete. Take your time to enter the correct information here, as this ensures the smooth processing of your document later on. After filling in those vital details, look for and click on the Next button. This will take you to the section where you can alter your document by adding fields. It's an essential step because now you'll be adding the date field, which is a crucial part of finalizing your document handling process. Now, we're ready to add the date field itself. To do this, find and click on the date signed option from the available tools around your document. Clicking on it typically adds the date to the corners of your document or wherever you specify, marking the exact point when the document was signed. This is especially useful for tracking and record keeping purposes. With the date field added, you'll have a document that's ready for its final touches and can be sent over to your recipients for signing. Remember, incorporating a date field not only enhances the professionalism of your document, but also ensures transparency and accountability. And that's it, you've successfully added a date field to a document in Docusign. I hope this guide helped make the process easier for you. Keep practicing and soon you'll be handling Docusign documents like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials.